Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get Crunchyroll free trial. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained everything about how to get a free trial on Crunchyroll. So if you're looking to watch an anime specific streaming service, Crunchyroll is one of the best out there which with the largest streaming catalog of licensed anime, start a Crunchyroll free trial today to guarantee it's the streaming service for you. How to get a Crunchyroll free trial? Customers that are completely new to Crunchyroll can benefit from a 14-day Crunchyroll free trial with any of the available subscription plans. And if it's not the streaming service for you, you can cancel your subscription before the end of the 2-week period to avoid being automatically charged. Signing up for Crunchyroll free trial is easy. Just follow the bullet points below. Go to the Crunchyroll homepage, click on the orange View Premium Plans button, choose the subscription plan that you want to try, click the Start 14-day free trial button. Create an account by entering your email address and password. Enter your credit card information or use PayPal. Click the Start Free Trial button. If you need to cancel the subscription before the end of the free trial to avoid being charged, remember it will end soon as you complete the steps below. Log in your Crunchyroll account, go to your account via the profile button in the top right corner, click premium membership status, and lastly hit cancel membership button. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.